LMDE 7 versus MX Linux 25, which Linux distro is better? Choosing between LMDE 7 and MX Linux 25 is a decision that puts two of the most respected Debian-based Linux distributions head-to-head, and it is one worth taking seriously if stability, performance, and a polished desktop experience matter to you. Both distributions are built directly on Debian stable, both are developed by passionate and experienced community teams, and both have earned strong reputations for reliability and efficiency. LMDE 7 brings the familiar and refined Linux Mint experience to a pure Debian base, while MX Linux 25 offers a highly optimized and feature-rich desktop with its own set of custom tools that have made it one of the most downloaded Linux distributions in the world. This comparison breaks down how each distribution performs so you can choose the right one for your setup. LMDE 7, which stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition 7, is the Debian-based version of Linux Mint developed by the same team behind the widely loved standard Mint releases. It delivers the familiar Cinnamon desktop environment, the Mint application suite, and the same polished and user-friendly experience that millions of Mint users rely on, but built directly on Debian stable rather than Ubuntu. This gives LMDE users a rock-solid and conservative foundation that avoids the Ubuntu layer entirely while preserving the comfort and accessibility that makes Linux Mint so popular. LMDE exists partly as a contingency project to ensure Linux Mint's continuity independent of Ubuntu, but it has grown into a genuinely compelling choice in its own right. LMDE 7 is best suited for Linux Mint fans who prefer a pure Debian foundation and experienced users who want the Mint desktop experience without any Ubuntu influence. MX Linux 25 is a Debian-based distribution developed by the MX community and Anti-X team, known for delivering an exceptionally optimized and feature-rich desktop experience that performs well on both modern and older hardware. It ships with the X desktop environment by default, though KDE Plasma and Fluxbox editions are also available, and it includes a comprehensive suite of MX tools that simplify system management tasks like snapshots, package installation, and live USB creation. MX Linux has consistently ranked among the most downloaded Linux distributions globally, driven by its combination of stability, performance, and the quality of its community-developed tooling. It strikes a balance between being accessible to intermediate users and offering enough depth for experienced Linux enthusiasts. MX Linux 25 is best suited for users who want a highly optimized, feature-rich, and community-driven Debian-based desktop that performs excellently across a wide range of hardware. Feature comparison. LMDE 7 and MX Linux 25 are both outstanding Debian-based distributions that serve slightly different audiences. LMDE 7 is the stronger choice for users who love the Linux Mint experience and want it delivered on a pure Debian foundation with familiar tools and a polished Cinnamon desktop. MX Linux 25 is the stronger choice for users who want a deeply optimized and feature-rich distribution with excellent hardware performance and a comprehensive set of community-developed system management tools. Both are excellent, and the right choice comes down to desktop preference and how much system tooling depth you want out of the box. Final thoughts. If you are a Linux Mint user who wants to move closer to Debian without giving up the familiar and comfortable experience the Mint team has built, LMDE 7 is a natural and excellent choice that delivers everything you know in a purer form. If you want a highly optimized and deeply featured Debian-based distribution with strong performance across hardware generations and an impressive set of built-in system tools, MX Linux 25 is one of the best options available in that category. Both distributions represent the quality and care that comes from experience in dedicated Linux communities.